dogs?
Yes, please.
Iwan ko na yung watermelon. Ha? Good afternoon guys. Hapon, nag-film ako sa Chona's Kitchen and yung boys kararating lang galing school and they're going to golf competition guys.
This one first. No, this one.
And may dumating na package, may nagpadala sa akin. Buksan ko na rin to kasi wala naman akong ganap ngayon. Maglilinis lang ako ng mga pinaglutuan ko. Ito guys, oh, mayroong nagpadala sa akin. Thank you. Buksan ko na to. Late yun na to mapapanood kasi. Ngayon is, what day today, Kuya? What day today? 7th of February? 7th of February ngayon, guys. So, buksan ko lang to kung ano yung aking, or mamaya na paglabas ng mga bata kasi we wish good luck muna tayo. Ito yung niluto ko, guys. Oh. Adobong isda. And si Holly, ang dami niyang nakain. And ako din. Baba! They're rushing, Baba, because they're going. Kasi after school talaga, ayan, bis agad sila. Hindi na nga sila nag-snack eh. Ayan na, siya magsusot ng golf shoes ni TJ. Baba, clean up. How's mommy's cooking? Good? You like it? What did we cook? What did we cook?
Chicken.
No. No, what did we cook?
Adobo is that.
Adobong isda.
So good.
So good.
What's me?
Huh?
Watch me.
What?
The TV.
Oh, watch you on the TV? What TV?
What's that TV?
Ano, go watch daw siya on TV.
What's that one?
Alis na sila, guys. Good luck, Kuya. Guwapo. Kahit ka man, Sak. Hinanapan ni Sak yung kanyang... yung nakuha niyang sombrero nung last competition. Yun daw ang susutin niya. Asan ka na? Naka-apron ba ako? Kasi ano lang namin. Nahanap niya yung... Where did you put it? Yung kanyang belt. Ano yun, nahanap niya na yung kanyang belt and si Jan ang ano lang naman ako, magliligpit ako ng mga kalat ko dito sa kusina. Ayan, ang kalat ko. Yan ang aking kalat dito sa kusina ngayong araw. And umulan din ngayon, kaya medyo nalita ako mag-film. Dapat kaninang umaga, kaso umulan, hindi. Lakas ng naririnig kasi yung ulan. Sabi ko hindi siya maganda sa, wala pa naman akong yung microphone or yung linalagay na mic dito. Wala akong, yan na si Sak. Good luck, Jackie boy.
Come on.
See you, I love you. Black. Bye, Dad. Your third, get some drink.
I've got a drink in here for you. Get some drink.
Okay. Bye. Si Sak, oy, si Holly dog. Chuy, ano ka? Para kang laging may... It's not here now. It's in my car now. Good luck. Bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye. Kami na lang ni Holly na iwan. So, unbox ko lang tong, andyan pa yung aking chopping board. And si Holly, what are you getting there, Baba? So,
This.
what's that?
This.
No, that's after tea, Baba.
I did have a tea.
That's lunch, Baba. So, ito yung padala to sa akin, guys. Thank you sa nagpadala.
Tama have it, please.
No, that's after tea, Baba. Later pa yan.
Tama have it. I don't wanna.
No, Baba. Nag-message siya sa akin, November ata. What are you doing, Baba? Getting Oreo? Okay.
Look, Mama.
Wow!
So good.
Kakain lang dito ni Holly. Kakain na naman siya.
Mama,
Okay.
let me see. Let me see.
Come here. Here. Gusto niya tingnan. Ito yung laman. Bubbles. Oh, wow!
Wow, the bag.
What's this?
The bag.
A bag? Nakaano siya? Marami siyang tissue paper from Lax Out Loud. Ayan guys, i-check nyo siya. Lax Out Loud. Nag-message siya sa akin. Yes, okay. Get that one. Ito siya guys. Nakabalot siya ng parang pangregalo. Thank you. Thank you. Lax Out Loud. Thank you so much. Ilagay ko na lang yung link sa description box guys kung saan kayo makakakuha na mga authentic na pre-love 100% authentic vintage bags, designer bags. Wow, ilan to? Isa, dalawa.
Look, Mom.
Wait, baba ko muna. Nangunguna yung isa. Wait, stay there. Hala. Ako na. Wow, thank you. Mayroon akong Chanel na pouch. Thank you, Lax Out Loud. Ayan, meron akong pouch. So guys, kung gusto nyo maghanap na pre-love na authentic vintage bag, bisitahin nyo si Lax Out Loud. Thank you. Say thank you, Lax Out Loud.
Thank you, love, out.
So eto, ang dami naman na binigay niya. Meron pang isa.
That's the last one.
No, there's another. I think, oh my God, mayroon din siya. So, akin muna, Baba. Oh my God, Holly, you got your own. This is mine, wait. And
Would
ito
you
yung,
like to my own one?
and meron siyang,
Yours. Is that yours?
this is mine. Meron siyang sarili niyang, tawag nito. Wait, Baba na. Gusto niyang buksan.
That's the one.
Ito ba yung bag? Dust bag. Ayan, guys. Ano to? Celine? Ano kaya ang brand niya? Paano ito buksan? Hala. Hindi ko alam kung paano ito buksan, guys. Paano siya buksan? Celine to, guys. Wait lang, ha? Paano siya buksan? Hindi ko ito alam buksan. Ala, ignorante tayo. Pinipilit kong buksan dito. Ito pala siya, oh. Ganyan pala siya, buksan. Ayan, guys. Meron siyang strap. Maliit na strap. Oh, wow. Dapat naka-formal ako nito. Ayan, guys. Thank you. Lax Out Loud. Celine, Paris. Ayan, nakalagay. So, kung naghanap kayo mga vintage bag, bisitahin nyo siya. And may dalawa siyang pangit. Thank you! Thank you! May zipper siya dito, oh. Vintage talaga. Ayan. Ganito pala siya sinasara. Akala ko may magnet or ano. Ayan. And adjustable yung kanyang strap. And sorry, naka-apron si ChonaAndMyKids. And you have to open this, Baba. Meron din siya. Oh, wait. Pakita muna natin. Ayun, nakalagay. Nakalagay. Wait, Baba. Nakalagay. Holly. This is for you. What you gonna say? Thank you.
Thank you.
Lax Out
Last out.
Loud.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my God, Celine. Ang cute. Oh my God. Let me show it first. Okay, open. Okay, no. Say no. Wait, Baba. Open this like this. You open like this and remove the... Ang cute. I'll show it to them first, okay? Nothing just... Ang cute, guys. So kay Holly. Can I have this?
No.
No.
It's mine.
Oh, it's yours, Celine. Oh.
It's awesome.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Oh. Let me see. Let me see. How cute niya, guys. Oh. Show it to them, Baba. Wow. Wow. Nakalagay Holly talaga para sa kanya. Hindi mo. Paano mo yung gagamitin, Baba? Oh, sige. Mamili ka na doon. Wow. Wow, Baba. You're lucky. Say thank you. Lax Out Loud. Thank you. Sa pagsend
is this
nito.
me?
No. Thank you, guys. Ilip ko na lang yung link niya.
That's me.
Leave ko na lang yung link sa description box, guys. Kung gusto nyo maghanap ng
I love it.
authentic na vintage designer bags. Thank you. Say bye.
Bye.
So, bye guys. So, yun lang yung vlog ko today kasi maglilinis ako ng kalat ko and yung boys nag-golf. It's Friday today. Okay, bye guys. Say
Bye,
bye.
guys.
Tungkol, thank you.
Thank you.
Tingnan niyo siya. Wow, wow. Pak. Pak. Wow.
Oh my God.
Kanina pa siya ganyan.
I love it.
You love it?
Smell it.
Oh, you like it? Kanina pa hinahap.
So sure I love it.
Kanina niya pa yan sinasabi.
Look at yours.
Can I have this?
No,
Please?
it's a little.
Oh, it's alright. I'm just gonna put my lipstick there.
No.
Please?
Look, yours bigger.
Oh, mine is big, but I like this too.
No.
Please?
No.
Can I have that? That's for me.
That's for me. It's too small.
Oh. Yeah, I can put my lipstick.
No, it's not. You're joking.
Yeah, I'm joking. Say thank you again.
Thank you.
Dito na yung mga boys. Hi! How did you go? Wow, Kuya! Good job! Good job, boys!
Little TJ one and I'm Zach's like.
Huh?
Zach got lots of knives.
Zach's done well. What do you think?
You done well. You done well. It's alright. Si Kuya ang nanalo sa 9 holes.
hole.
Don't talk about the first hole, that was bad, it's all over.
Oh, it's
On the
alright.
first hole, he hit that far.
Wow!
And he's keeping it in the rough.
Yeah, I lost.
Hey!
Mom,
Yes! Good job, Kuya. Congrats.
I don't wait.
Wow. So you're the winner? You're the winner? He's the winner? Good job, Kuya! Oh, yan oh, siya yung nanalo sa competition. Juniors winner. And?
Dad, I want to put it. Wait.
What's that? Belt?
Yes.
Oh, good job. Si Sak nag-walk out, hindi nanalo si Sak.
Dad, this is too big.
It's alright. It's alright. Congrats, Kuya.
You got
Sak!
a birdie on the second too.
Wow, good
3
job.
shots.
Wow,
That's
proud
not-
of you, Daddy.
And the rest were bad.
No,
It's alright. It's alright.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Well, tomorrow you go try and do better than that.
Good job. Tomorrow pa, meron pa siya. What happened to Sak? Nag-walk out na si Sak. Hindi nanalo.
TJ and Zach.
Are they in the same team? Like, competing each other?
Against each other, yeah.
Yeah, against...
Shower.
Huh?
Oh.
Ano? Naliligo na si Sak. Inaalis niya yung malas sa katawan niya.
In the running race,
Uh-huh.
I came first.
Good job, Kuya.
I'll put them there for tomorrow. Put them on your bed. You can wear them tomorrow again. Put on your
Wow.
socks.
3 days
Tomorrow, no,
competition.
they got tomorrow, then not Sunday. It's only our day, Sunday.
But
Oh.
Friday,
Friday, Saturday.
Tomorrow you got 18 holes.
then Friday.
No, Sunday.
Next Friday we'll be going back that line.
Ah, Kuya. So how many of you, Kuya?
There was 6 of them.
No,
6 of
no,
them.
playing.
Zach and him and then the other kids.
No, we played. It was just me, Zach, and Jasper. That's it.
Oh, 3
Yeah,
of
and
them.
then you got Matilda, and
Matilda.
then the other girl, and
That's it.
the
Yeah,
other
so
kid,
6.
Junior.
Yeah, but that.
You're all in the same girls from Narraport.
Narraport.
Are they?
One went there.
Ah, good
Just saying that
job.
She's talked to me now.
Oh, that's good, Kuya. Yeah, have a shower. Si Sak, inalis niya yung malas niya.